Good morning. So today is Friday, the last day of my duckcation, and it's miserable out here. It is raining, calm. It's like 43 degrees, I think. I don't know. I like the cold, windy, no rain. Everybody says rainy brings, the rainy weather brings ducks, and I have better luck on windy, sunny days myself, cold. So anyhow, I'm meeting Gene out here. He's driving out from Central Michigan, and see if we can pound out some mallards out here today. So I don't know, fingers crossed. I've got the weekend left, but today is my official last day of vacation. So we'll see. Got the boat. Got Remy girl back here. Good girl, Remy. So let's see what this calm day brings us. Hopefully it brings what I've seen the past 3 days. Lots of mallards. But they work and work and work when there's no wind. Just keep circling and tend to drop a little short on us. So we'll see. Best we can do is try, right? See you out there.
See, right out in the decoys. My decoys. My decoys, right there. Right in front of you. Remy! Oh, she's got your spreader. Remy, here. Here. Oh, right here, right here. Here, right. Hold on. Take him. Take him. Did you hit any? Huh? What's that? No. Here. I can't believe you didn't see that one. Remy, here. You see that? Right out. You could, right here. He's coming around. Right out front. Over there. Gotcha. You weren't gonna shoot him?
I had that reel in my hand.
Oh, did you? He was that first pass right here in front of you, man. I'm like, he didn't shoot.
No, I wasn't going to shoot him that. That was too far from me. Good girl.
Drop. Kennel. 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 Yeah. Blew his beak off. Well, yeah, that he did 2 passes, one out, and then this. Oh, did you see him both times? Okay.
Yeah, and when it passes,
Here it comes. It's turning. Right out over the island, coming our way now. Coming out to your left. No. It banked and came back around. Oh, right out front. Right out front. Coming in. Get ready. Right over you. Right out front. Right out front. He's going to come over us. Take him if he comes over us. Take him. Take him. Take him. I know, girl. What's that? Alright, I never did take a video. Jerk line, jerk line. It almost killed Remy. Birds are working though. Slowly, surely, foggy. I know, relax. So we got 2 birds. 2 got the pass. Not by choice. Alright, so we got one. Are they up? Yeah, let's swim over this way. So far this morning we got this, and then that small. Oh, you know what? Hey, this is a pintail. Yeah, that's a hen pintail. I thought that was a gaddy in the dark. Well, legal dark, if you know what I mean. It was. Ah. Look at that, little pintail. So, we've had a lot of birds working. There's nothing committing. There's nothing real. The wind is the biggest issue. We've got 2 sitting right over here that dropped way short on us. I think Gene should walk over, sneak over there down that trail. We went and shoot him. All right, we're calling it quits. Gene said he's wet, cold, and miserable. I'm just kidding. And 2 birds. Hen pintail, Drake mailer. Remy's wet. So, yep, we're gonna get out of here. Hasn't stopped raining all day. It's about what, 10, 11 o'clock, something like that. So. Let's get out of here.